Welcome to this deep dive into Reddit's architecture and how it manages to scale to an astounding 1 billion users. Reddit, often dubbed the front page of the internet, is a vast and dynamic platform where millions engage in discussions, share content, and form communities. But behind its seemingly simple interface lies an incredibly complex and robust system designed to handle an enormous volume of traffic and data. This presentation will explore the architectural choices, engineering principles, and technological stacks that enable Reddit to deliver a seamless experience to its massive user base. We'll uncover how a platform with such diverse content and intense user interaction maintains high performance, reliability, and scalability, providing valuable insights into ultra-scalable system design. At the heart of any hyper-scalable system like Reddit are a few foundational architectural principles. First, horizontal scaling is paramount. Instead of using a few enormous servers, Reddit adds many smaller commodity servers as demand grows, distributing the load efficiently. Second, statelessness ensures that any server can handle any request, making it easier to scale horizontally and recover from failures. Third, aggressive caching at multiple layers drastically reduces the load on backend databases and speeds up content delivery. Finally, asynchronous processing offloads non-critical tasks, improving responsiveness and overall system throughput. These principles are not unique to Reddit, but are essential for any platform aiming for global reach and high availability. One of the most critical architectural decisions Reddit made for scalability and maintainability is the adoption of a microservices architecture. Instead of a single monolithic application, Reddit's functionalities are broken down into independent, smaller services, each responsible for a specific function. For instance, there might be separate services for user authentication, post submission, comment handling, messaging, and search. This modular approach allows teams to develop, deploy, and scale services independently. If the commenting service experiences high load, it can be scaled up without affecting other parts of the system, enhancing resilience and agility, which is vital for a platform with evolving features and diverse user interactions. Managing petabytes of diverse data for billions of users requires a sophisticated distributed data management strategy. Reddit leverages a mix of database technologies, each suited for different purposes. Postgres, a relational database, is used for critical data that requires strong consistency, such as user accounts and core metadata. For high-volume, real-time data, like posts and comments, Reddit often uses NoSQL databases like Apache Cassandra, known for its write scalability and fault tolerance. Redis is heavily employed as an in-memory data store for caching and real-time operations. To handle the sheer volume, data is often sharded, meaning it's partitioned across multiple database instances to distribute the load and improve performance. Caching is arguably one of the most critical components in Reddit's ability to serve content rapidly and efficiently. Given the massive read-heavy nature of the platform, requests for popular content can quickly overwhelm databases if not managed properly. Reddit employs a multi-tiered caching strategy. Content delivery networks, CDNs, are used to cache static assets and even popular dynamic content closer to the users, reducing latency significantly. In-memory caches like Redis are extensively used at the application layer to store frequently accessed data, dramatically reducing database hits. This aggressive caching approach not only speeds up content delivery, but also protects back-end systems from peak traffic spikes, ensuring a smooth user experience even under heavy load. For a platform like Reddit, many operations don't require immediate user feedback, but are crucial for the overall experience. Things like sending notifications, processing uploaded images, updating search indexes, or aggregating statistics can be resource-intensive. To avoid blocking user requests and maintain responsiveness, Reddit heavily relies on asynchronous processing using message queues. Technologies like Kafka or Celery are used to queue these background tasks. Services publish events or tasks to a queue, and worker processes consume them at their own pace. This not only decouples services, but also allows for graceful handling of spikes in workload, improving system resilience and ensuring that the user interface remains snappy. With millions of posts, comments, and communities, robust search and discovery capabilities are paramount for Reddit's usability. Users need to quickly find relevant content, whether it's an old thread or a new community. Reddit employs powerful search engines like Elasticsearch to handle its full-text search requirements. Elasticsearch is a distributed, RESTful search and analytics engine capable of indexing vast amounts of data in near real time. When new content is posted, it's quickly indexed and made searchable. This system ensures that content discovery is efficient and scalable, allowing users to navigate the immense amount of information on the platform effectively, which is critical for engagement and finding niche communities. Given Reddit's global user base, delivering content quickly to users across different continents is a significant challenge. Content delivery networks, or CDNs, are fundamental to solving this. CDNs are geo-distributed networks of proxy servers and data centers. By storing copies of static assets like images, videos, and JavaScript files, and even popular dynamic content closer to users, CDNs drastically reduce latency. When a user requests content, it's served from the nearest CDN edge location instead of the origin server. This not only speeds up page load times, but also significantly reduces the load on Reddit's core infrastructure, enhancing resilience and ensuring a consistent experience for billions of users worldwide. Running a system at Reddit scale with its intricate microservices and distributed databases means that failures are inevitable. The key is to detect and address them quickly. This is where robust monitoring, logging, and observability tools come into play. Reddit continuously collects metrics from every part of its infrastructure, from server health to application performance. Centralized logging aggregates logs from all services, providing a comprehensive view of system behavior. Distributed tracing allows engineers to follow a request journey across multiple services, pinpointing bottlenecks or errors. Proactive alerting ensures that engineering teams are immediately notified of any anomalies, enabling rapid response and minimizing downtime for millions of users. In conclusion, Reddit's journey to scaling for 1 billion users offers invaluable lessons for anyone building ultra-scalable systems. The success hinges on a combination of strategic architectural choices and meticulous engineering practices. Adopting horizontal scaling and a microservices architecture provided the flexibility and resilience needed for rapid growth. Distributed data management, leveraging the right database for the right job, coupled with aggressive multi-tiered caching, ensures both data integrity and blistering performance. Asynchronous processing handles background tasks efficiently, while CDNs guarantee global reach and speed. Finally, robust monitoring and observability are non-negotiable for maintaining stability in such a complex environment. These principles, when applied thoughtfully, can pave the way for building systems capable of serving the next generation of Internet users.